traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had some dollar news come out this afternoon, unemployment rates, and definitely caused the pound dollar to go down. But then what ended up happening was there was almost a perfect bounce out to 50% after 1, 2, 3 waves down. Definitely very clearly an ABC correction for sure. Now the question is though, is this right here like a wave 1, a wave 2, wave 3, ABC of wave 4, and now this is a wave 5? If it is a wave 5, possibly it is going to turn down and take out the low. If the higher time frames are telling us the correct story, this possibly could just go down a little bit and then continue the uptrend. So definitely keep an eye out for a higher low, but if this is a wave 5, then most likely it will go down and take out the low of wave 4, and possibly even maybe go down further than that. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.